You're welcome to this class today. Today we're talking about the fractions, the word problems lead to fraction. And before I proceed, let me introduce myself. I'm Mr. Olusegun Adelekun. The stage name is Olusegun Math Clinic. Try to subscribe to our channel and follow this page in Facebook and others of our page. You see it in the media. So you're able to see our video daily anytime we are releasing video. So today we are talking about fraction, as in word problems leading to fraction, and how do you interpret? Many people find this word problem difficult to solve because in ability to interpret it. He said the result of taking 3 from x and multiply the answer by 4. Every statement in mathematics has mathematical interpretation. Every word problems has mathematical interpretation. He said the result of taking 3 from x. So he has his own meaning. High x also has its own meaning, which is. So let's solve this. So the result of taking 3 from x, that is the first statement you are going to interpret. He said the result of taking 3 from x, this is x, 3 from x. This is why many people find it difficult, because we are taking 3 from x. That is just the meaning. So he now say, and multiply the answer by 4. So this is what he's trying to say. He said the result of taking 3 from x and multiply the answer by 4. So this is just the meaning of this statement. He now say is. In mathematics, the meaning of is means equal to. So is the same as taking 3 from 5 times x. So the first thing you are going to do is 5x minus 3. So this is what is trying to giving us as an equation, that the result of taking 3 from x and multiply answer by 4. So let's start expanding. So we have 4 times x minus 3 times 4 is equal to 5x minus 3. So in writing this, 4 times x will give us, 4 times x will give us 4x minus 12 to give you 5x minus 3. So in getting the value like this, let's try to collect the like times. Let's do the first thing now. Let's try to add, let's subtract 4x from both sides. So we have 4x minus 12 minus 4x is equal to 5x minus 3 minus 4x. So this and this will turn to 0. We have minus 12 is equal to, so you write this to have 5x minus 4x minus 3. So we have minus 12 is equal to x minus 3. So let's try to add 3 to both sides. Add plus 3 to both. So by adding plus 3 to both sides, so this will turn to 0. This will give you minus 9 is equal to x. So you can also rewrite it to have x is equal to minus 9. So this is how these equations are moved. So for the question given to us that these word problems, after being interpreted it, you're able to get this. So many people find difficult to interpret mathematics as statement, and that is why we are here to explain the mathematics statement for you and to know how to interpret it and making it to form an equation. So don't forget to share this video and subscribe to these channels and try to